Michael Greeley of Flybridge Capital led this panel discussion with the CEOs from Hocoma, Bluefin Robotics, QinetiQ, Artaic, and Kiva Systems as they discussed robotics in Massachusetts and New England.
I think the economic times have created a focus in the area. The fact that you guys are in this room talking about this subject. I don't know if anybody caught Governor Deval Patrick last night, his State of the State address, but right in the last 5 minutes he talked about robotics as a direct result of the robotics cluster in Mass TLC. You know, it's on his plate, it's on our plate. Somehow it's up to the people in this room, at least in our robotics cluster, to impress upon the region and the government that this is the time and this is the place, and we need a little push. And clearly the city of Boston is supporting. I went through some of the same programs that they talk about when we brought our business here, and you know, we can only hope that as a group, you know, like Michael said when he started his discussion, is wouldn't it be nice to have that investment here?
You know, we're here, you know, for the same reasons you guys are here. It's the confluence of all the right factors for us, and those outweigh some of the negatives. I mean, it is a higher cost state to do business. The taxes are higher, but we found, very much to our surprise, that the government, both the city and the state, are very supportive. There are numerous programs. You know, they offer us a loan at the beginning for $50,000, and now for $250 at 1.2%. They found us our space down at the waterfront. They gave us a reduction in the lease. We're getting the first year free, and then we got a really good rate thereafter. So you know, those are some of the governmental or infrastructure reasons. But you know, obviously the access to really bright engineers and roboticists. I mean, it's, you know, I lived in Silicon Valley where I did my PhD for 6 years, and I actually came back here because there was more of what we needed for this company here than there was in Silicon Valley. You know, maybe if I wanted to do a Web 2.0 or, you know, or something in Silicon, arguably that could be a better place. But when it comes to hardware and robots and physical product and industrial, I think Massachusetts is number one.